You said that religious people, you said love the sin or hate the sin. Religious people use that as a rationalization for actually hating the sinner, right? They say that, but they actually want to go after the person who's gay. Is that more or less what you said?
Yes.
Okay. I think that's completely wrong. I think most of the homophobic people who would, for example, send their child to gay conversion camp, which is just as egregious of a sin as sending a child to undergo gender surgery, given the wildly insufficient data supporting either of those two treatments. The reason people
transition.
Separate debate. We can have that. And I want to have that. Whether it's you or whoever's watching, that's an open challenge. We'll do the debates. You said they're doing it so they can just hate the sinner. The whole reason that I think many families are homophobic, for example, are because they genuinely believe that if their child is gay, that child will go to hell. And if you genuinely believe that your child will go to hell, if you really love that child, then you would do everything in your power to prevent that. And I think that's exactly the same mentality that parents who transition their child, who believe, look, I genuinely believe that a 13-year-old child is in a position to determine their gender. There's many medical associations that push that. You push that. And it's not unreasonable why people would believe that. But that does not absolve them of the responsibility and the consequence of claiming that or sending their child to gay conversion therapy or sending their child to go get gender transition. That still is ultimately going to harm the child. But to say that it's not coming from a position of love, which is ironic, and you say, well, how can that be a position of love? It's because many children have suffered at the hands of their parents when their parents thought they were doing the best thing for their child. And for you to say it's just a rationalization for them to exercise their homophobia is an unbelievably reductive take. And I think it just illustrates the degree to which you are severely overcomplicating or wildly simplifying all of these issues.